Welcome back everyone. Today we're uncovering 8 hidden EV expenses that you may not be aware of. As EV ownership becomes more popular, it's important to be aware of these costs that often go unnoticed. So let's get started. One of the biggest hidden expenses of owning an electric vehicle is the registration and renewal fees imposed by your state. Now you might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, let me break it down for you. When you fuel up your gas-powered car, a portion of the money you spend goes towards a gas tax, which is used to fund road repairs and infrastructure maintenance. However, when you drive an EV, you're not paying that gas tax as you rely on electricity to power your vehicle. To make up for the lost revenue from the gas tax, many states have introduced EV registration fees. These fees serve as the equivalent of the gas tax and are intended to ensure EV owners contribute to the upkeep of the roads they drive on. The amount of the fee varies from state to state, ranging from around $50 to over $200 per year. In some of these states, the EV tax fees you pay are equivalent to over 30 to 40,000 miles driven a year in gas taxes. So the pricing is kind of unfair, but here's the kicker. These fees are expected to rise even further in the coming years. Some states have announced plans to increase the EV fees to $300 or more per year, creating even more expenses for EV owners. This increase aims to bridge the revenue gap caused by the growing number of EVs on the road and the decreasing reliance on gas. Now you might be thinking, why should I have to pay such a hefty fee for driving an eco-friendly vehicle? And that's a valid question. While it's true that EVs contribute to reducing carbon emissions, it does pose an additional financial consideration for EV owners, particularly when compared to the gas tax you would pay for driving a conventional car. So when you calculate the cost of owning a Tesla or any other EV, it's crucial to account for these registration and renewal fees. They can impact your budget and add to the overall expenses of being an EV owner. Let's move on to charging. This is where you can actually save big, but it's not about the cost of charging itself. There are a few expenses to consider when it comes to charging your EV. Firstly, if you buy a Tesla, you'll have to pay for your charging separately, which can cost around $200 to over $450. Next, installing a home charging station can range from around $300 to over $1,500. The cost depends entirely on the complexity of the installation and any necessary electrical upgrades. It's crucial to consult with a certified electrician to ensure a safe installation that meets all local regulations. For some, these expenses are essential for effective budgeting and maximizing the benefits of owning a Tesla. When it comes to the home charging options itself, there are 3 main avenues to explore. First, we have the Tesla Mobile Connector. It's a simple solution that allows you to charge your Tesla using a standard 110-volt outlet. Keep in mind though that it provides a slow charge rate, giving you around 3 miles of range per hour charged. It's suitable if you're not in a rush and just need a home charging method. The second option is the Tesla Wall Connector, a more permanent solution with numerous advantages. This charger is hardwired to an electrical panel and professionally installed on a wall or a post. It offers significantly faster charging speeds, providing up to 44 miles of range per hour. For convenience and efficiency, the Tesla Wall Connector is the ultimate solution for homeowners. If hardwiring is not your preference, don't worry. The third option involves a NEMA 1450 plug. By installing this plug and using an adapter for your Tesla Mobile Connector, you can enjoy home charging bliss. This setup offers a charging rate of approximately 30 miles of range per hour, a solid choice for those seeking a balance between speed and flexibility. Now that we've discussed the various aspects of charging, let's shift our focus to another significant factor, supercharging. While it offers convenient and fast charging for Tesla owners on the go, there are a few factors to consider that may impact your budget. First, let's talk about pricing. Specific pricing for each supercharger site is displayed on your Tesla's touchscreen when you select the charging location. It provides transparency so you know what to expect in terms of costs. When your session is complete, the screen shows an estimate of the final charges, including taxes and fees. It's crucial to be aware that these rates can be higher compared to home charging. While supercharging can be a convenient option, it's important to be mindful of your charging duration. The Tesla app allows you to remotely monitor your vehicle, providing alerts when your charge is nearly complete and when it's fully charged. It's a helpful tool to ensure that you don't overstay your charging session. Here's when unforeseen expenses can creep in for new Tesla owners. For every additional minute your car remains connected to the supercharger after it's fully charged, you could be charged an additional fee, typically ranging from 50 cents to $1 per minute. While this may seem like a small fee initially, it can add up over time if you're not mindful of disconnecting promptly once your vehicle is charged. However, it's worth mentioning that despite the potential higher costs, supercharging is still generally cheaper than filling up a gas tank for a similarly priced and spec'd gas vehicle. The financial advantage of electric vehicles remains a significant factor in their popularity. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tick that notification bell for more content like this in the future. And real quick, if you did not know already, Tesla has reintroduced this referral program and it's better than ever before. If you're about to place an order for a Tesla, be sure to use my referral link in the description below to get credits on your purchase. These credits can be redeemed for supercharging miles, a Cybertruck raffle, FSD, Tesla merch, and more. It's a win-win situation because not only will you enjoy the perks of the Tesla referral program, but you'll also be supporting this channel. When it comes to owning a Tesla, the car itself is just the beginning. As a Tesla owner, you'll quickly discover the desire to personalize and enhance your car, and that's where the hidden costs of accessories and upgrades come into play. Now, these expenses are entirely optional, but they can add up quickly, and it's important to be aware of what you might be getting yourself into. One surprising cost to consider is installation of paint protection film, PPF, and applying a ceramic coating. Professional shops often charge exorbitant prices for these services. To save money, I decided to take matters into my own hands and opted for a DIY PPF kit from Amazon. Not only did this significantly reduce the cost, but the process itself was pretty straightforward. You just have to have a lot of patience. If you're interested, I've included a link to the PPF kit I use in the description below. Another expense is applying a ceramic coating. Again, this is entirely an optional expense. A ceramic coating is a solution that is applied to the exterior of a vehicle to protect it from external paint damage. It blends with the paint of your car and creates an additional hydrophobic layer of protection. It will not guard against rock chips or scratches, but it will protect your car's exterior from things like tree sap, bird droppings, bug guts, and UV rays. While professional shops charge thousands of dollars for this service, you can achieve the same results through a DIY approach for under $100. In fact, I created a step-by-step video demonstrating how to properly apply a ceramic coating. You can find the link to that video in the description below. Moving on to practical accessories, floor mats are essential for protecting your Tesla's interior from dirt, spills, and everyday wear and tear. I also made a video showcasing my favorite floor mats for Teslas. The video is also linked in the description below. In terms of protection, mud flaps are a wise addition to shield your vehicle from road debris and unsightly splashes. Additionally, a screen protector is crucial for preserving your Tesla's touchscreen interface and keeping it scratch-free. Organization is key, especially in Tesla's minimalistic interior, and cargo organizers and cup holder inserts are invaluable for keeping your belongings neatly organized and easily accessible. With limited storage compartments, these accessories help maintain order and convenience. Now here's a pro tip if you're waiting for your Tesla to be delivered. Prepare for your delivery by having all of these accessories and more ready to go. Trust me, it makes a world of a difference. To help navigate the vast world of Tesla accessories, I've created in-depth videos highlighting the must-have accessories for both the Tesla Model Y and the Tesla Model 3. You can find the links for these videos in the description below. And for those seeking hand-picked accessory recommendations, I've curated a list of my favorite accessories which you'll also find in the description. Now let's talk about a surprising expense that often catches EV owners off guard: tires. It's a cost that many people overlook, but it's one that can impact your budget and ownership experience. Here's why. First off, EVs are generally heavier than their gas-powered counterparts. The weight of the battery pack adds extra load to the tires. Combine this with the instant torque available in EVs, and you have a recipe for increased tire wear. While non-EV vehicles can often go for around 35,000 to 65,000 miles before needing new tires, some EVs tend to require replacement around 20,000 to the 30,000 mile mark. That's a significant difference that you should be aware of. But it's not just the frequency of tire replacements that can catch you off guard. It's the cost. EV tires tend to be more expensive compared to those for conventional vehicles. You can expect to pay anywhere from $200 to $350 per tire, depending on the brand and the model. If you have a heavy foot and love pushing the boundaries of speed, you may find your tires wear out quicker than expected. It's crucial not to overlook this issue, as driving worn-out tires can compromise your safety on the road. However, let's not get too carried away with worry. Many Tesla owners have managed to get a ton of miles out of their tires before needing a replacement. If you're not constantly pushing the pedal to the metal, your tires will certainly last longer. Enjoying the occasional burst of acceleration won't render your tires bald immediately. It's a trade-off between the joy of driving and the cost of tire wear. To mitigate the impact of accelerated tire wear, it's essential to prioritize proper tire care. Regular rotations and alignments are crucial to ensure even tire wear. Additionally, eye your tire pressure, as underinflated or overinflated tires can wear out faster. By following these simple practices, you can mitigate the effects of accelerated tire wear and make your tires last as long as possible. Moving on to insurance, another somewhat hidden expense. When it comes to EVs, including Teslas, insurance premiums tend to be higher compared to traditional gas-powered cars. But why is that the case? The answer lies in the unique characteristics of electric vehicles. EVs are still considered relatively expensive compared to their gas counterparts, primarily due to the advanced technology, high-capacity batteries, and sophisticated parts they incorporate. As a result, when it comes to repairs and replacements, the cost can be significantly higher. Insurance companies take these factors into account when calculating premiums, as they need to ensure that potential repairs are covered adequately. For Tesla owners, the average cost of insuring a Model Y is slightly above $2,000 per year, while the Model X sees insurance premiums surpassing $3,000 per year. This means that on average, insuring a Tesla could cost you 30 to 40% more than the national average for car insurance. However, it's important to know that insurance premiums are influenced by a range of factors. While owning a Tesla may lead to higher premiums, it does not necessarily mean that you will have to pay a substantial amount more. Various elements such as your driving history, location, coverage options, and deductibles all come into play when determining your insurance costs. In fact, there have been instances where Tesla owners have found their monthly insurance costs to be on par with what they typically pay for other vehicles. It's crucial to consider that insurance is a highly individualized aspect of car ownership, and rates can vary significantly from person to person. One aspect of owning a Tesla that catches some people off guard is the cost of premium connectivity. Tesla's premium connectivity package offers a range of enhanced features that go beyond basic Wi-Fi connectivity, providing a seamless and immersive ownership journey. After about a month of when my free trial came to an end, I took the plunge and opted for the yearly subscription, and the convenience and seamlessness it brings was enough to justify the price for me. One of my favorite parts is Live Sentry Mode. This allows you to remotely view your Tesla's cameras when Sentry Mode is activated. It comes in clutch for me for when I periodically want to check on my car while it's parked without having to physically go out. Now, some Tesla owners are satisfied with using their personal hotspots instead of purchasing premium connectivity, and that works for them. Premium connectivity currently comes as either a monthly subscription fee of $9.99 or as an annual subscription fee of $99. While this cost may seem reasonable when compared to the grand investment in a Tesla, critics argue that the additional expenses after purchasing the vehicle can feel burdensome. Now let's delve into another intriguing aspect of owning a Tesla: maintenance. Now I know this entire video has been about unexpected expenses, but this can be considered as an unexpected non-expense. One of the most surprising aspects of electric vehicles is the remarkably low out-of-pocket expenses for maintenance. Unlike traditional gas cars, which have numerous moving parts that are prone to wear and tear, EVs have significantly reduced number of components that can break down. It's often a misconception that EV batteries require replacement after just a decade. In reality, most EVs, particularly Teslas, are equipped with batteries that are designed to last hundreds of thousands of miles while retaining at least 70% of their original capacity. This means that you can enjoy worry-free driving for many years without having to worry about the costly replacement for your vehicle's battery. Also, as technology advances and economies of scale come into play, the price of EV batteries continues to decrease. This means that if you do require battery-related repairs and replacements down the line outside of your warranty, the overall cost is likely to be more affordable than it is currently. I recently made a 20,000 mile review about my long-range Model Y where I broke down the exact maintenance expenses. The amount I spent over 20,000 miles is shocking. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below for you to check out. If you found this video informative and enjoyed diving into the hidden costs of a Tesla, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with electric vehicles in the comment section down below. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.